Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites so setup won't stall. Make sure you have an active Google account, a valid payment method, and your website or landing page URL. Once done, open Ads. Google.com and sign in with that Google account. You'll be prompted to choose an advertising goal. Pick the goal that matches expected results: leads for contact forms, traffic for visits, sales for conversions, because Google tailors prompts and recommendations to that selection as you continue. Now you'll walk through the account and initial campaign configuration. Enter your business name, billing country, time zone, and currency so costs report correctly. Then set the campaign fundamentals, choose locations and languages to target, and set a realistic daily budget. Start modest and scale. Next, select campaign type. Search for intent-driven ads, display for visual reach, video for YouTube, or shopping for products. Make keyword and audience selections, because they determine who sees your ads and how you're finished by reviewing ad creatives, extensions, and landing page relevance. Make sure headlines and descriptions match your offer and that the landing page loads quickly. Next, verify your domain and implement conversion tracking using the Google tag or GA4 so you can measure results. Submit billing information and review the billing threshold. If something goes wrong, check ad disapproval notices, billing holds, or policy violations. Make the specified edits. Then resubmit, because most issues clear after correcting the flagged item and requesting a review.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.